welcome to my YouTube. Today I'm going to show you 3 really quick and simple, easy recipes that are healthy. Follow along with me as we get started. It'll take about 5 minutes or less, and you're going to get 3 really great simple recipes that you can make. I've got here banana that I'm going to use in a protein shake with creatine. That's to build muscle. That's perfect for the gym. I've got a fruit smoothie I'm going to make here for you, and then sugar controlled smoothie protein shake that I'm going to make for you, and it's made with Colombian Melaleuca coffee and GC controlled Melaleuca natural blood sugar mix. 3 handfuls of ice, 2 scoops of your protein powder, your choice. However, I prefer using the Melaleuca ProFlex protein. You set that aside. Drop in the banana. Break that in half. Careful with the peanut butters that you choose. In the coffee protein, I'm going to add my brewed coffee that I have left over from this morning. A scoop of my chocolate, GC Control from Melaleuca. Look how that cleanup is just so quick and simple. So I have 4 ounces of water and then 2 ounces of coffee. Right? Next up, we're making our fruit protein. This is a light option for your protein intake. 2 scoops of lean protein. I like to use ProFlex by Melaleuca. 1 banana split in half, 3 handfuls of ice, 3 to 5 ounces of water, and strawberries and blueberries. That's it, guys. 5 minutes or less and you got yourself a great protein shake. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching a Share Diner YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sample all 3 of the shakes. Here we've got the coffee protein that is low calorie, and it helps control your sugar and your cravings. Extremely good. Extremely good and rich. Next, we've got the protein shake that's great for building muscle and a meal replacement. Very good. Nice and creamy. And lastly but not least, fruit smoothie that is actually contains protein as well. 2 scoops of ProFlex, so it's nice lean protein and fruit. Delicious. All 3 of them are absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Head on over to YouTube, and if you're on YouTube, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for joining in today. Enjoy the rest of your day.